Hello and welcome to another tutorial of Crud management with MySQLi procedural. So in our last tutorial, what basically I did, it was like database configuration. So if I just come back, actually I was. So you see that there was an else statement as well, and it was showing that whenever we come to insert this, I already include it at the top of this page, so that we can understand something like that. Simply echo it. So I will get one statement called connected, but this is actually for like kind of confirmation. You just connect it and you just kind of get confirmation from your config file.php. Okay, so let's start with working with insert.php. First of all, let's make some form where our user, especially our student, can register his name, role, age and email with their email address. So let's start. First of all, it will be container, and I want to make it at the center, so it will be row, and call sm4. S2 insert data. Then I need a form, simple HTML form, but I'm using Twitter Bootstrap, so I will use that class action and method obviously will be post. Action basically where your file it will affect in the same page. So insert the PHP, because I will write PHP code over here, okay, over there. So I can keep this, and basically it all needs the that link where actually your form will make some effect. Okay, as I said that we will use Twitter Bootstrap classes, so it will be like form group and level like name, student name. I need a couple of other attributes like Twitter Bootstrap class, like form control, placeholder, student full name, IT should match with the 4, so S name should be S name, refresh. So if I refresh, you see that I got it. Just for save my time, I need to just copy it. Three times, so totally 24. Name, role, student, role, class, home control, placeholder, student, age, email, so very fresh. You see that it's working, and a pretty simple form, only 4 input field. Now what I basically need, I need two button, I'm sorry, button. First one, it would be for submit. Make sure you type it submit, otherwise it will not work. And couple of classes of Crud bootstrap, BTN success. I also need to name, like register, student. You can call it any name, and it would be like register. So I simply come back, you see that it appears, and I need another button for reset. So type would be reset, and class btn primary reset. Okay, that's it. So I click that you understand reset. If I click reset, it will be clear all your input over there. And if you hit register, obviously you see that showing the same link, because action will happen in the same place inside of this view. Now I need a link to come back to our home page. So it would be like something like that, index.php. So basically it's our home page. Back to home page. Something like that. Hopefully you understand, guys. Okay, now let's start to make it dynamic. As I said that I will write my PHP code over here. So first of all, I need to make sure that this button has been hit. I mean, someone actually write all the information I need: student name, role, age and email, and hit this particular button. And if this particular button is being hit like register student, so something will happen. So very simple. If is set, I'm using post, so $_post register student. So this is how actually I target this button, okay, by giving a specific name, attribute, register student. So what will happen if this will hit? If I come back to our logo, this particular screencast, you'll see that Crud management with MySQLi procedural exception. What does it basically mean, exception? Exception means try and catch. Exception $_. I already discussed it about it. Very simple. You just have to write variable e. Variable e, basically you can write any kind of alphabet, but it's a standard practice that e mean error. Okay, so there is a specific message, specific function. I'm sorry, it will be get message. So you can actually show your message by this particular simply one line. Okay, so this is the one advantages of it. Let's start with what basically we can do. So first of all, I need to make sure that all of my fields should be filled, not an empty. But if any register user make it as an empty, I will show you, and you know that error message, something like that. So if it's set, sorry, not is set, I'm sorry, not is set. If it is empty, $_post which one? Our name. If it is an empty, I will throw new exception. I will actually throw an error message, and I will say that name cannot be empty. As you see that I use character escaping. Just close your statement with quotation, and then use / for escape apostrophe. So name cannot be empty, something like that, if the name was empty. So if I come back over here and hit register, you see that it's not showing, because there is a reason actually. You know that this is where all the exception, will show. So what you need to do, you need to echo it, but before you echo it, you need to store this in a variable. It will be by any name, but in my case it will be like error message. So because I'm here basically for very specific reason. I mean, I'm actually doing it for very specific reason. Error message should get an error message, and you will get an error message. So where it will show at the top. So PHP, now you have to make sure there is an error. So same rule, if is set, if there is an error, okay, error message. If we set error message, echo error message. Echo means print or show, display in the browser, okay, something like that. You will understand it right now. Now you see that there is an error message because I did not write anything over here, but if I write anything over here and register, you see there is nothing. So I believe that you understand. Now let me make it little just decorate it a lot. Danger. See that name cannot be empty. So just for save my time, as usual, I need to just copy this one for student name, then to be student role. Role cannot be empty. Let's see, I write suppose something like that, and you see that role cannot be empty. Copy, then to be is just keep it blank. Is cannot be empty. Last one, student email, and email address cannot be empty. So you see that it's working. But now if I write something, suppose 21 and you see that it's not showing going anywhere, but it's actually working. So hopefully you understand. So now it's working and it's working fine. It's gotten empty. But now you have to write the you have to send this data to phpMyAdmin over here, where basically I write our this is basically we write our table. So we need to send this data over there. So how to send this? Very simple one. If I just show you once, it would be enough to understand. So it would be using insert query. So insert query. I need a variable called SQL to put my SQL. So it would be insert into where the table name would be user REG information, and I have except ID. I have an ID basically is my primary key, so you do not have to write it, and I need it also. It's an auto increment. It will be given by auto. You have to write it. So except ID, I have like 1, 2, 3, 4. So st name, st role st is email. Then we have to write values. So how to send the values? Very simple. It's coming from dollar underscore, obviously with the quotation, dollar underscore post, and so name should come. There is an name key. You see that for every input I write a name. For name, student name, for role, student role. So we have to just target it in this way. For name, student name, then write comma, just copy it, paste it, student role, is comma, and student email. Make sure that it match. Okay, student email, student age, student role, student name. Match with the name attribute. Basically it's a key. You will understand this. The more you practice it, you will understand it. Okay, so we just write an SQL, right? Now we have to store it in a query that is called MySQLi query. So MySQL query basically needs two parameters. It's our first parameter is our connection, where I write my MySQLi connect. You see that. So make sure it match connection, then your query. So in my case it will be SQL. Now I need to use it. That's why it's in standard practice to keep it in a variable called result. So simply perform the query. Don't need it at present. Okay. So now I would like to show the success message. So there are lots of way, but most easiest way, just use if statement. So if result is basically true, I am using boolean. If it is true, then we will simply throw an echo not throw, I will show an echo. I will show an statement like thanks. Or thanks, a new record has been inserted successfully. Or if anything goes wrong, we will throw an error message. Sorry. Something went wrong while inserting new data. Okay, so let's see actually how it works. So if I simply refresh line 32, oh, I'm sorry, it's a big mistake actually, because I'm using quotation, so you don't need to write quotation again. It's a double quotation. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Now it will work. Because you are writing a quotation, so you don't need to write another quotation for the name key. Okay, I'm sorry guys, it's my mistake. Anyway, let's start with like Abdul Malik 01 is 21. Thanks, a new record has been inserted successfully. So if I just browse it, you see that I got my data, and appropriately. First ID Abdul Malik, role 1, his age is 21 and his email address is abdulmalik@mail.com. okay, what I need, as usual, I need to decorate it because we are using Twitter bootstrap, so it's very simple. Just write alert success. And if anything goes wrong, the class alert danger. I'll show you the else statement. I'll show you by doing the same mistake. Some mistake intentionally. Suppose we don't have database called only user information. We have a database called user REG information. So what happened if I come back over here, refresh the page and try to access the page. Suppose Abdul Rahman role bullet 02 is 22. Abdul Rahman @mail.com. See what happened. So something went wrong while inserting more data. So it's also working fine, right? So it's working and it's working fine. So this is all about how to insert data into PHPMyAdmin. So if I now refresh the page, you see that it's working. Thanks, a new data has been inserted successfully. So that you see that it's also working. Okay, so this is all about how to insert data to PHPMyAdmin. Very simple, just practice it a couple of times and it will be enough to understand. In next tutorial I will basically show you how to you know that show the data. I mean, we will insert it over here, and if I come back to my home page, there is another button, you see that show the data. So show for what reason? Basically it for a couple of reasons. One is that I want to access to edit my own data. I mean, I want to give access to edit our user own data. Suppose he writes his name, you see that Abdul Malik, but suppose it was intentionally missed. I mean, we want to change his email address, or we want to change his anything, something like that. So we can actually give some access in our show database. Not only that, if any user want to leave from our website, they can also do that. So hopefully you understand. I mean, you will also give this access to delete his account from our website. I mean, it's totally up to them. So it will be very interesting. Hopefully guys, you will understand it, and it will be very interesting topic. So thanks guys for watching this tutorial with a great amount of passion.